If you're a business owner, you need to stop making random videos. That's the real reason why your YouTube content isn't generating leads for your business. And in this video, I'm gonna be exposing why most YouTube content fails to generate leads, even with decent views, and show you 5 proven methods that helped me book 5 sales calls last month. And the best part is, I have less than 100 subscribers, and I don't spend thousands of dollars a month hiring video editors. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. So right now you're probably in the hamster wheel of idea generation. You're procrastinating because you don't have any video ideas, you're constantly copying your competitors and wonder why they're getting leads while you ain't, and your business simply doesn't scale because you don't have any good video ideas. And the absolute truth is, the ideas are like a foundation of a house. Without it, your house will literally crumble to the ground. And in most cases, this happens simply because you're aiming to target everyone with your content. And if you're making videos that without targeting your ICP, you'll simply attract people who are there solely for entertainment value, and not with the intention of buying your course, service, or product that you're selling. Literally ask yourself, do I want to target this person with my videos? The answer is probably not. These are people who are there solely for just consuming your content with zero intention of ever becoming your client. So if you want to have good video ideas, you need to first of all understand who is your target audience, okay? You need to think really deeply on what are their daily frustrations and pain points, what keeps them up at night, and what problems do they face regularly in their business or day-to-day life. It could be relationships, it could be business growth, it could be lack of clients, literally anything. And what are their ultimate goals and desired outcomes, okay? What they're truly trying to achieve beyond the surface level objectives, okay? Surface level objective can be getting rich, but what does getting rich get to them? It could be more satisfying and fulfilling life. It could be better relationships, more free time, literally anything you can think of. And this is what we actually do with our clients. We design these super in-depth client avatars so we can target our messaging towards these people and make sure our videos are targeted towards the people who are the most likely to spend money with us. Anyway, in the next 5 or 10 minutes, I'll show you the 5 different ways we find video ideas that target our ideal customers. And while at it, I got a free content stories in the description of this video that goes literally hand to hand with these ideas and methods. So if you want to start booking more sales calls with your content, grab it right now to know when you should use these different ideas and methods. Anyway, the number 1 method should be study your competitors. Now, I don't mean to copy your competitors directly. What I mean is study your competitors' most viewed videos from the last 6 to 12 months and see what is working with their titles, thumbnails, and content structure. Because you need to learn from proven success. You do not want to be starting completely from scratch and waste your time creating content that doesn't resonate with your audience, okay? You want to see what your competitors are currently doing, what type of thumbnails are they doing that gets them the most amount of views, okay? You can see with these guys, these system motherboard videos are getting them really good clients. Or even from a bit of different niches, but Instagram is a bit of a similar niche to YouTube. You see more flashy thumbnails work in that niche. And what you should be doing is just be able to put a list of your competitors in Notion or Google Sheets and try to look for shortcomings in their content that you could use to your own advantage in your content. And easy way to find those shortcomings in their content is simply look at their comment section. Because 99% of the time, if one person from the comment section is having certain problem, most likely someone else is also having the problem, which makes for a really relatable video topic and will attract your target ICP and get you a lot of views and a lot of leads. So for example, this guy, yeah, cool video, but do you recommend hiring somebody for manual outreach? You could make a video on hiring a person to do manual outreach. Or do you think creating a personal brand is necessary for generating leads? You could easily make video on how to start your personal brand. And you can see both of these videos got a lot of views for their channels. Anyway, let's move on to the most important topic, which is YouTube search and vidIQ. Okay, you can use YouTube search and vidIQ to find untapped video idea opportunities. giving you the upper hand to your competitors because your audience is looking up for that problem and you have the ability to being first there on the Google search like I did. This video got literally 50% of its traffic from YouTube search. So to do this, you can either use common search terms and pick a lower, one of these lower options because they have usually low competition and just make a video out of it. Or you can type a really common question in your niche, like how to get high CTR with thumbnails, and click the related keywords tab in vidIQ and simply just look for keywords that do have, first of all, low competition and high search volume. So usually score above 60 is good, and here's literally 3 ideas for you. How to get high CTR, Facebook ads, digital marketing. All of these things are really good keywords to use in your titles because people are searching about these topics. And I cannot face this enough. If you skip this step, your videos will literally get buried and I'm talking 0 views, 0 reach, and 0 results. Because the way YouTube algorithm works is your ICP is gonna search your video. Your video is gonna pop up there and they're gonna spend time watching it. If they watch it long enough, YouTube will understand that these are the people who spend the most time on their platform, so it's gonna show your video to more people like your ICP, which gets you even more views in the process. Anyway, moving on, method 4, explore adjacent niches. This is super simple if you want to get a lot of views. Also, views don't really matter with content. Every once in a while, it's good to get at least some new eyes to your offer. So basically, what you are doing is simply find a winning format from other niche and put your own spin to them. So, for example, this video, full copywriting course, 100% free. This guy copied it and made it in phone reselling niche, and he got a lot of views out of that. So, the reason why this works so well is because most YouTube gurus tell you to imitate your competitors, and while that advice is okay, everybody's already doing it, which makes you seem unoriginal clone, and you have literally nothing new to offer to the table. So if you want to be buried literally in your niche, just copy your competition like every other guy is doing in their niche, and then you just wonder why I'm not getting leads with my content. So avoid copying your competitors and copy ideas from other niches. Anyways, moving on, method 5, consult your clients. This is literally the gold mine strategy if you want to generate leads as a business owner. And most business owners literally don't do it, and it's cost them thousands of leads in the process. So to do this, simply get your client on a call or ask them questions in the chat about what objections and struggles they had before working with you and what results did they got after working with you. Because 99% of the time, if one of your clients had a specific objection, there are literally dozens of other potential clients having the exact same doubts. So when you're addressing these objections in your content, you're literally speaking directly to your ideal client's deepest fears and building massive trust in your brand and your solution. So for example, when your clients say things like, well, I don't think this will work in my industry, I need to have huge following first, or I don't have time to create content, these aren't just thoughts in their head. They're literally the exact objection stopping your next dream client from booking a call with you. So you need to think deeply on, what should I say that will fix these objections from my current viewers? And the easiest way to get the answer to them is just asking the question from your clients. Anyways, quick recap to this video. Good ideas come from understanding your audience pains, desires, and common objections. And 5 different ways to find unique video ideas are: study your competitors, use vidIQ and YouTube search, explore adjacent niches, check for comment sections, and consult your clients. Anyways, for action takers, if you're a business owner who wants a no-nonsense path to booking more calls and scale your business with simple YouTube videos, I have a link in the description where I'll personally help you achieve that goal. And also, there's a free content strategy included in there. Anyways guys, that's it for me today. Have a wonderful day and peace out.